Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I sometimes like to heat things up without being in the kitchen. And that's why this Elite Gourmet single burner has been very useful for me. I use this for candle making because when I am making my candles, I don't like to inconvenience everyone else in the household by going in the kitchen and using up one of the burners, especially since I don't want to mix wax with food. So this is a really nice solution. I can just plug it into the craft area and put the burner on. I can control how hot it gets. It's very high quality. It works really fast. You do have to be careful, of course, not to touch the top when it is on, but it has really helped me to progress with my candle making. To also, since I don't really have a fixed place to do my crafts, it's nice because it's so easy to transport. It's really not that big. It's not that heavy, so I can easily put it in a drawer with the rest of my candle making. I don't have to leave it out. I have enjoyed using it so much. And if candle making is maybe something you're wanting to get into, or other crafts that require melting anything, or if you're just living on your own in a small dorm room or in a studio and you don't want to have a big stove, it's a really great option for a variety of things. It has been for me, and that's my point of view.